Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time and review to show you this Gallmeyer Livingston surface grinder. It is a model 660 Grand Rapids, serial number 660119, and it happens to be our stock number 662. First and foremost, we'd like to point out the overall condition of this machine. The condition of this machine is very good. It came to us from long-term storage. The table size on this machine happens to be a 14 by 48. It delivers 16 inches in the cross, 54 in the longitudinal, and 19 inches in the vertical. The grinding wheel on it now is a 14-inch by 3-inch, and Frankie has it set up doing a demo, grinding a small steel part. That being said, I'm going to let the professional take over. Go ahead, Frank. What we wanted to do is point out that this machine has a 7.5 horsepower main drive motor. It's currently wired at 440 volts. This machine is loaded with options. I'm going to go through the option list and explain what it's with, why we're running the machine. It has hydraulically powered longitudinal traverse. What you're seeing here is the table moving back and forth under power. Hydraulically powered cross traverse. It has power incremental down feed. So that being said, we have power feed in all three directions. Here's our power incremental down feed area for the adjustment. Here's the controller unit. Just going to let the machine run for itself for a second here. Additionally, we'd like to point out this electromagnetic chuck with the controller. It's all set up, ready to go. We have a coolant tank around back that goes with the machine. The machine has automatic lube. The overall weight on this machine is just shy of 10,000 pounds. We've got it rated at 9,600 pounds. So again, we have a 14 by 48 capacity chuck size that'll deliver a full 16 inches of wide travel, that's across in and out, and 54 inches of longitudinal, that's left and right. As well as the fact that all common wear parts are still supported through Gallmeyer Livingston. Great heavy-duty American-made machine. Okay, here's the coolant tank down below. Perfect. You can tell by hearing the machine running how it sounds, how it performs. Again, it's a 7.5 horsepower main drive motor. And it's currently wired at 440 volts. Here's the electromagnetic controller, power panel down below. It's also complete with the table guards and a work light. Okay, Frankie, I'm going to have you just hop in front of the machine for a size perspective on the overall so they can see how the machine sizes up. Come in just one step or two if you don't mind.
Sure.
Come in just a little bit. Okay, perfect, thank you. All right, well, on behalf of Machinery Consultants, we'd like to thank you for your video, for allowing us to do this video. Additional photos of this can be found on our website at www.machineryconsultants.com. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any specific questions. And until next time, be happy, be healthy. Thanks for shopping at Machinery Consultants. Have a great day. You like my new catchphrase?